first tried improv, I thought it'd help me blend in, keep me sneaky like a shadow in the night. Instead, I froze like a goblin caught nicking biscuits. Subtle as a troll at a tea party I was. But now? Oh, now improv's made me quick on me feet. Guard catches me in the vault, says, "Oi, what are you doing here?" I just bow and say, "Auditioning for the role of guard number 3, and blast me. Next thing I know, we're reading lines together while I walk off with his shiny boots. That's improv, innit? Scene's over, laughs are had, and I still keep the props. Hey, don't give me that look. If you're so bored...
Yeah, good story, kid. Real edge-of-your-seat stuff. I'll just wander over to the tavern, see if Brunhilde's got anything more exciting. Like, oh, I don't know, a piece of fish. Brunhilde, where's my fish?